Yo, what's up? What's up? What's up? It's your boy Lorenzo, man. And today, man, I just about to look at the chart, man, and just show you how I do my analysis, you know what I'm saying? I like to do my analysis top down, identify the time frame that I do want to trade on, which usually I like trading on the 30, possibly higher if I'm swinging or going full day trade, but intraday trades I like to get down to on the 30 or about an hour. So this is for people who've been asking me. So how do I analyze my charts and I figure out where do I'm going to get in, and stuff like that. How I'm gonna analyze to take my profit and stuff. So let me uh let me just pick something I'm used to trading. You know what I mean? I've been starting to mess around with currency pairs here a little bit again, but y'all know I'm used to trading the US 30. So let me get on the US 30 right quick, man. Pull this chart up right quick. See what we got going on. I probably already got some stuff on it or whatnot. Oh, got my see right now it's a goddamn buy. No lie. I'm talking about the strategy showing a buy. Let's see what the 30 talking about right quick. Let me pull this down here to be up out my way. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put it right because I don't fuck with that anyway. All right, so look here, man. Let's go out to 30 right here. So let me just. Oh yeah. We in the buy, man. Right now, well, it's at a little area of resistance, but we have the crossover. So yeah, being that it's at an area of resistance, I can see I'll be looking for the breakout or for the next candlestick to show me we're gonna come down. But let's get down to 30 on what I was talking about, man. Top down analysis, man. Top down analysis. See, I got these little ranges on here. Let me go ahead and delete everything, man. All right, let me take this off. No confusion, no confusion. Yes, that is a US 30 strategy. Those are the MAs and the stochastics that I have in my video. But not depending on no indicators, you feel me? So let's go to the daily, man. The daily overall, man, y'all know we've been in the uptrend all the way this way, you know what I mean? A little jagged, working its way up. But right now, as of right now, man, we are in the uptrend. Just looking at the chart straight up, we can see we're in the uptrend. You know what I'm talking about? We go to the weekly, man. We see that we are in a uptrend. You get what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and put this on here. Put a little trend line on the daily, man. Let me do this for you right quick. So you identify your trend, man. Identify your trend. Identify your trend. Identify the trend. Let me say it one more time. Identify the trend on the daily. All right. That way, you know overall where the market is going. And I'm gonna put it right here. People say, well, where do you put your trend line, man? People draw their shit different. You feel me? I like to kind of put mine. See, right, I did weak out right there. Let me move that tight. I like to keep mine a little tight. You know what I'm talking about? And maybe I've been doing it wrong. But I don't. If anybody knows anything about trend lines, if I'm putting my trend lines wrong, y'all let me know. But this is how I do my shit, man. I like to put it close to the body, man. Because these wick outs are fake outs. You know what I'm saying? So you got the trend line right there. All right. Now, if I'm gonna trade on the 30, man, I identify the trend. Okay, I can tell right now that this area right here is gonna be an area. I can draw an area of entry. Well, first of all, right here, because this is where it was retested and came back up. So this, let's go ahead and throw a line on there. I know I jump around, but this is how I look at my charts, man. Some people catch on the way I do my thing, and some don't. You know what I mean? I'm not a good teacher, man. I'm just a helper. You feel me? So look here, man. This is what we got going on right here on the daily. I know we're in the uptrend, man. So if I'm swing trading, you feel me? This would be an area of possible bull. First of all, my first possible pullback would be right here, about 28,542. Why? Because that's where it closed, and now it's going up. But ultimate pullback, man, on a swing, I would say 28,300. We're at the current price of 28,600. So you know what I mean? Um, that's identified the trend. That's identified a key level on the daily, and I'm pretty sure we go back. We'll find if we drag this back, we'll see right here that yeah, pretty much. Let me see. Let me drag this back for y'all. See what it do. So that was my key level right there. Oh, well, look where. Well, I'll be goddamn. My key level is seriously a key level from way back in the gap. You feel me? Check that out. So it do line up, man. Most key levels that you get new were a key level somewhere back to the left. You feel me? So that's just on the daily, man. So let's get down to the four. Let's get down to the four, man. This how I do, man. This is what I do. Now you see how I look different on the four. That's just on the daily, man. The daily for swing trading. You understand what I'm saying? The daily to me is for swing trading 4 hour and get in on your 4 hours. You know what I'm saying? See where we'll go. You know what I'm talking about? So if I were to actually try to put a swing trade, now that I already marked it up on the daily, I would come through right here, right, and I'm saying, okay, we had this double top right here that made that drop. Well, tweeze the top, spin the top, whatever. You know what I mean? I'm not really good at calling the names of my candlesticks, and I don't like putting the wrong names out there. But that right there would signal a reversal to me. Okay, so now you know what I mean. Being that I'm on the 4 hour, if I'm looking to take a swing trade, you know what I mean. I'd mark my little areas up on the 4 hour as well. So let's check this out, right? Oh, I already got it right here. So let's check this out, right? This would be an area of interest for me right about in this area. Okay, not exactly at this line. You see, if you're in the Telegram chat, man, I'll be like, I'm looking for it to come back to possibly, and honestly, let me throw another one on there, okay? I don't really see, they already had this retest, okay? But if I feel like it's too late for me to get in, then this is why you see these lines on my chart. I'll be like, okay, look here. I'm gonna look for it to possibly come back down to the 28,545, or let's say 28,550, all right? And I'm gonna see what it do when it get there. And if it show me that it's gonna turn back around, and I'm gonna jump up on it, you know what I mean? And then I'll be like, okay, well look at, or if it comes through, then this would be my next area to look around, the 28,446, let's just say 28,450 area. You get what I'm saying? Because when it gets close to it, that's when I start looking at the candle, see what it's doing. So I look at the 4 hour and on the 1 hour, you know what I mean, to get in on my long-term trade for the swing. And I'll be like, okay, bam, bam. You see how I came down and touched his line, and I said, okay, well, it's time to get it. Now we had to keep on the resistance on the high on the 1 hour. Bam. So now I'm watching to see what this gonna do. Now, if this were to come up and close above right here, I like to look at it like full body. If this candlestick were to close above this full body on the hour, for sure, you know what I mean? I'd wait for a little retest because that would be considered the breakout to me. I'd wait for the retest on it, and I'd get in. So depending on how that next candle close, I will not get in. But okay, so that's that. Now look, we're getting down to the 30-minute, all right? So pretty much, okay, so now you see my areas of entry, okay? So we're at a key point on the resistance right here, all right? So now I'm going to look for this to try to work itself back down. If I see that, and this is between 28,619 and 28,545. So we're looking at about, say 50, 70, about 74, 75 points, man. On the US 30, at a 0.01 on the US 30, man, that's 75 right there. So that, you know, that'd be all right. So I would see to watch what this is gonna do right here. It's not time to get in because I trade with the trend now. Okay, we have the overall trend right here. All right, overall trend is bullish. The overall trend is going up. The overall trend is a buy. You get what I'm saying? So for the people that are real new, if I say bullish, buy, long, that means I'm looking to buy the US 30 for it, looking for it to go up. All right, so look. So now I'm gonna wait for it to come back down to about right here to see what it's gonna do. Okay, and then once I start seeing these candles do what they do and show me that, hey, yo, this might just finna turn around, or it might break out. I'm looking for this breakout, the retest, and to keep going, or I'm looking for it to come back down and hit an area of interest for my entry. You get what I'm saying? And then catch the entry and then ride that motherfucker up as well. So therefore, there you go. Those are my lines. Those are my areas, man. So I mark it up like this, man. Like I said, on the daily, all the way down. Mark it up. Look at it. I'll draw my key areas within, you know, all the way down, all the way down. I said we're going to the 30. All right. So now I'm going to the 30. Remember, I'm looking for buys. We're on the overall uptrend, so I'm looking for buy. But look here though. On the 30, we have it. Was I already on the 30? You see how I just got confused because the hour to me look like the 30. And what do you know? It look just see how close these play for the intraday traders, man. 30 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour. You know what I mean? So you can see how long you're gonna hold it. So bam, now let's get back down to the 30 where I was at, man. So you see how it looks the same, man. Now, I'm waiting to see what this is gonna do. I'm not getting in right now. You know, this is where we mess up. Oh, it's finna break out. It's finna go up. This 30-minute just started. It's finna break out. It's finna go up. You feel me? Then bam, it might fuck around and turn around. Well, now you're looking like, whoa, how am I supposed to know to go ahead and get in? Whatever, this and that. How do I assume what my 30-minute chart is finna do? Is it gonna tell me to get in or whatnot? You look to your little lower time frame so you can see what the candlesticks are doing on that time frame. No, excuse me, not the 5. Let's go to the 15 frame. Top down. Okay, so bam, we see that this was a key area right here. You know, it struggled right here, came back down. It broke that. When it broke that and came down here, you could have got in on your 15. And then, what's that? 11, 16. We're looking at about what? 27 points right there. And then you got in right there, right here. So now you're looking for it to break right here. So, but look, when this closed, what we're gonna call it? We have to break out. Then we're gonna make 3 white knights, white soldiers, whatever you want to call them, signifying more bullishness. You get what I'm saying? 5 minutes for sure. Now, what I see about to happen to me, we're gonna have a little try to come back down to about right here to me and then shoot back up. So like I said, I'm waiting to see what it's gonna do or what it's gonna show me. You know what I'm saying? So I'll be looking for this try to come back down to this little area right here on this 5 minute and say, nah, you know what, let me go ahead and take off, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's basically how I look at my charts, man. I look for the trend, overall uptrend. I mark my little areas, you know what I'm saying, all the way down to the chart that I'm looking to take a trade on. I look to see what the time frames before it are showing me, you know what I'm saying, so that we can influence my entry on the 30-minute chart that I'm trying to get into a trade on. You know what I mean? And these are my areas on this trend. These are my areas of entry. I don't think it's gonna come down here because it's way up here. You feel me? This is showing me, this is showing me, this is showing me. I just need more confirmation. Like I said, you could have got in on a lower time frame and got up in there. Now, this isn't basic, you know what I'm saying? This is the basic of trading to me, which is basically identifying what type of trader you are. Right now, I'm ready to take some intraday trades, which means I'm holding them for about an hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, you know what I mean? I'm not looking for the whole day. I'm not looking to swing this trade. You know, plus it's already going to be Friday. You feel me? So I'm looking just to, you know, make me a couple $100 today. You feel me? Saying this night where I'm at. It is 9:07 p.m. where I'm at. Make me a couple $100, man. So I'm looking for the basically, you know what I'm saying, the retrace and retest, you know what I'm saying? And watch it come down a little bit, find me a good little area, entry, pay attention to my candles, and see what my candles are telling me. And hell, if I'm having that much of a hard time, go ahead and throw it on there with my strategy. As far as my strategy goes right now, my strategy is telling me it's a buy. But I'm waiting for it to come down before I get back up in there because I know that it is at a high of resistance level right now. So I'm gonna wait for it to try to test this and then bam, find a better entry point, like somewhere about right here, 28,570 area, the 28,545, 550 area, and then probably no lower than the bottom of this right here, 28,490 area. Watching those candlesticks, check it out, see what it's telling me, jump up on it. If I get confused and I really can't read the chart like I want to, yeah, try to see what my indicators are telling me. But my indicators, though, man, y'all know the US 30 strategy. You watched my video before. I don't depend on those. Those are just extra confirmation, man. I like to trade without them, you know what I'm saying? Unless I'm like, hold on, I can't see it. Then I'll jump up in there. So here it is, man. Top-down analysis, man. Identify the trend. Find the areas support and resistance, you know what I'm saying? Identify your zones, you know what I'm saying? By doing that, you identify your key areas of entry. You get what I'm saying? Your areas of entry. And if you want to, man, like right here, you can, instead of using the lines, you can even let me pull it up for you right quick, man. Use your box, man. Use your box. Okay, you got this right here, right? Let me just see how I would do that. I'll try to do this right here. You look too much. You know, zoom in on that right quick. Use your boxes, man. Use your boxes, okay? So when it gets in this area, I'm going to see it. I want it to break out this way. It's going to go down that way. That's a little more deeper, though, man. You can put your lines on there for your areas of entry. Top down analysis. And trade with the trend, man. Trade with the trend. Unless you're comfortable with trading on the drops, you know what I mean? But me personally, my thing is, you know what I'm saying, find the trend, trade the trend. Top-down analysis, find your key areas of point of entry, you know what I mean? And then, you know, set key alerts. Set alerts on your trading device, you know, trading platform, you know what I mean? If you're looking for these areas, for it to drop back down to about this area right here, or this area, set those alerts. So that way you ain't got to stare at your chart all day. Set those alerts right there. Like I said, 2850, 28, a 28,550, 28,545 here, I would have an alert for let me know if it hits 28,550. So that way I can start looking at the chart and be like, okay, let me see what this about to do. It's about to turn around, whatever. Pay attention to the candlesticks, see what my candlesticks are telling me, you know what I'm saying? And if I got to, I throw my little indicators on there, man. With that, man, I hope this helps y'all out, man, with analysis. And as I tell people, man, I don't look at myself as a teacher, man, because it's hard for me to really break stuff down to the way that I understand it to people, man. I'm not a teacher. I'm just somebody who tries to help somebody, you know what I mean, and show them what I do and how I look at the charts, man. Because I know a lot of people, man, you can read everything in the world, but you like to see kind of hands-on, because that's kind of how I am too, and I like to get my hands on it. But this how I do. This is what I do, man. You know what I mean? So check me out. Y'all know we got the Traderholics Telegram, man. My IG is in the description of who I am or what this channel's about, man. You click on my IG, go hit me up on IG, follow me, man. If you want to get into the Telegram group chat, man, you know, we got a bunch of traders up in there, man, that trade different. I got scalpers in there. I got 15-minute chart traders. I got 30-minute time frame traders. I got my swing traders, you know what I'm saying? I got my intraday traders, man, all different type of traders, man. And we all trade our own way, but we understand that trading is simple, man. We don't overcomplicate it, man. We do this right here. I don't care what type of trader or if you're a scalper. I don't care if you're intraday trader. I don't care if you're day trader, swing trader, man. It all boils down to identifying the trend, identifying your support, your resistance zones, your key levels, you know what I'm saying? And then identifying the entry level that you're looking for, you know, on the chart. And then waiting, let it do its thing, you know what I'm talking about? And pay attention to these charts, man. The more you're on these charts, the more you put it to practice, man, the better you get at seeing stuff like this, you know what I mean? So if y'all want to join the Telegram, man, and y'all want to be a part of the Traderholics, man, come holler at me on IG, man, and I'll add you, man. We'll no longer have the link open due to spammers and trolls, you know what I'm saying? So therefore, you have to be added by an admin by invite. So hit me up on IG, man, if you want to join the chat, get a part of the conversation. We get it cracking up in there, man. You know, we be dead ass serious at some moments, and at some moments we be roasting the shit out of each other, man. We make it fun, man. Come be a part of Traderholics, man. Everything free, man. Ain't none of that bullshit. We ain't doing no signals, none of that. You know what I mean? We just analyzing charts, sharing ideas. We ain't, hey, and when you join the group, man, you'll get lost, man. Like I said, we all different type of traders, man. When you join that group, man, if you do get up in there, man, hey, identify yourself, man. Introduce yourself to us. Be like, yo, and tell us the level that you on. You know what I mean? What type of trader you are and what you looking for. Hey, somebody gonna reach out to you and help you, man. That's how we get down, man. With that, man, I'm gone. I hope I can help y'all out a little bit. I hope y'all got some out of it, man. Hit the like button for your boy, man. Share this video, man, if you feel like it could help somebody else, you know what I'm saying? And comment, man. Let me know what you think, man. I appreciate y'all, man. We about to be up out of here, man. Y'all enjoy y'all's rest of y'all's night, the rest of y'all day.